When we're looking at acid reflux, what's important to understand is that at the bottom of the esophagus here is what's called a lower esophageal sphincter, or an LES valve. And basically its job is to open up so food can come in. We ate it, it was delicious, yummy, yummy. It comes in, and then this valve, its job is to close so that the food does not come back up and give us reflux and make us burn and make us sad. So the problem is this valve is triggered by stomach acid. So if someone doesn't have enough stomach acid to really acidify their food so that it can be broken down properly, they also won't have enough stomach acid to trigger that LES valve to close correctly. So if they just have a small amount of acid, but it's not enough to trigger that valve to close, well, that acid is coming back up and it's going to burn, and then you're going to go, oh wow, I didn't even know I knew that cuss word, because that really hurts a whole lot. So that's a problem that we need to understand when we're looking at acid reflux, is the LES valve closing correctly? And in most cases, it's not closing correctly because the person is not making enough stomach acid to trigger that valve to close. Now, it's also possible for maybe somebody has some type of bacterial overgrowth. Maybe there's an H. pylori situation going on, and the waste from that bacteria can be alkaline, and maybe there's alkaline waste that's neutralizing the acids that the person is making. So there's a variety of issues that can make the stomach not acidic enough to trigger that valve to close. Also, a person could have a hiatal hernia and it's restricting its ability to close correctly, so that can be a possibility.